In this video, we are going to calculate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using Laplace expansion. These two straight lines represent the determinant of the matrix. The number of rows by the number of columns gives the order of the matrix. We have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix. The number of rows and the number of columns are equal, so it's a square matrix and so has a determinant. Non-square matrices do not have determinants. To calculate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, these place signs should be considered. We start with positive, change to negative, change to positive, change to negative, continue changing the signs to the end of the 3 by 3 matrix. You can use any row or any column to calculate the determinant. Let's use the first row. So we select the first number in the first row, delete the column and delete the row, leaving a 2 by 2 matrix. So the selected number multiplies the determinant of the remaining 2 by 2 matrix. That's 3, 4, 0, 2. Remember, the place sign for the selected number is positive. The next place sign should be negative. We select the second number in the first row, delete the column, delete the row. So the second selected number multiplies the determinant of the remaining 2 by 2 matrix. The next place sign should be positive. So we select the third number in the first row, delete the column, delete the row, leaving this 2 by 2 matrix. So the selected number multiplies the determinant of the remaining 2 by 2 matrix. So this number multiplies the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. That is 3 times 2 minus 0 times 4. Minus 2 multiplying the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. That is 6 times 2 minus 1 times 4. And the determinant of this matrix is also 6 times 0. Multiply this diagonal minus multiplication of this diagonal. That's 3 times 1. So 3 times 2 gives 6 minus 0 times 4 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 minus 0 is 6. And then 12 minus 4 is 8. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Now 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Positive times negative is negative. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now 6 minus 16 minus 15 is negative 25. You can use any other row or column to arrive at the same answer. Let's solve another example. Let's use the second row. Observe the place sign of the second row carefully. So we select the first number in the second row, delete the column, and delete the row. So we have 3 here, but the place sign is negative, and it multiplies the determinant of the remaining 2 by 2 matrix. That is -5, -1, -4, 3. The next place sign is positive. So we select the next number, delete the column, delete the row. So we have 1 multiplying this 2 by 2 matrix. 2, -1, 1, 3. And the next sign is negative. We select the next number, delete the column, delete the row. So we have -2 multiplying the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So we have -3 multiplying the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. That is the product of this diagonal minus the product of this diagonal. So we have -5 times 3 minus -1 times -4 plus 1 times 2 times 3 minus -1 times 1. These two negative signs will give us positive. So the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is 2 times -4 minus 1 times -5. So -5 times 3 is -15 minus -1 times -4 is +4. Now 2 times 3 is 6 minus -1 times 1 is -1. 2 times -4 is -8 minus 1 times -5 is -5. -15 minus 4 is -19. And then 6 minus -1 is the same as 6 plus 1, which is 7. And then -8 minus -5 is the same as -8 plus 5, which is -3. So -3 times -19 is 57. And 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times -3 is -6. 57 plus 7 minus 6 is 58. And that is the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix.